Have you become an expert routine machine? Let's explore this together. Is this you? You wake up, check messages, handle problems, answer emails, jump into meetings, get through the day, and then repeat tomorrow. For many business owners and leaders, life eventually becomes a highly optimized system. You know what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and how to get it done efficiently. The business runs, the team functions, the whole apparatus in your business functions, operations work, the goals are achieved, and so on and so forth. And that's exactly where the problem could begin. Because efficiency is not the same as fulfillment, and productivity isn't either. You become excellent at managing responsibilities, solving problems, putting out fires, delivering results, whatever it is for you every single day. But sometimes, without realizing it, you're no longer consciously creating your life. You're simply repeating it, repeating a routine. So the routines that once may have helped you build success can slowly become a cage of predictability. You stop exploring, you stop experimenting, you stop making space for new experiences, new ideas, new possibilities. And not because you can't, but because routine has become the default. Or maybe you are creative, but you're only creative when it comes to coming up with new product ideas or new processes, new automations for your business, for your work. After all, we all have to keep up in this age of AI, don't we? And the more successful you become, the easier it is to justify staying there. After all, why change something that works, right? But a life that works and a life that excites you, that gives you joy, are not necessarily the same thing. Every once in a while, it's worth asking yourself, am I living intentionally or am I running the same program on repeat, day in, day out? Because growth really comes from staying inside the familiar. And a meaningful life requires more than becoming exceptionally good at yesterday's routine or at a certain or disciplined, right? We hear so much about discipline, but it doesn't always make sense. There's discipline that makes sense and there's discipline that doesn't. So here's a question for you. Where in your life have you become too comfortable with the familiar? And what might change if you challenged that routine? And if you brought something new in or something that you have pushed to the background, but that is actually important in your life, let me know in the comments.